Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something that's all around you, in your yard, in your school, in your food, even in the air you breathe. We're talking about plants. Plants might seem simple, but they're actually amazing little machines that help life on Earth survive. So let's jump into the world of plant biology, what plants are, how they work, and why they matter. First, let's answer the big question. What is a plant? A plant is a living thing, just like animals, insects, and humans. But plants have some special features. They make their own food. They stay in one place. They have green pigment called chlorophyll. They have cell walls that give them shape and strength. Plants come in all sizes, tiny mosses, tall trees, colorful flowers, and even the grass on your lawn. But no matter how different they look, they all follow the same basic rules of plant biology. Now, for the coolest part, plants are chefs. They cook their own food using sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. Let's break it down in a super simple way. Plants take in sunlight using their leaves. They breathe in carbon dioxide from the air. Their roots drink water from the soil. Inside the leaves, sunlight plus water plus carbon dioxide mix together. The plant makes glucose, a type of sugar that becomes its food. And as a bonus, plants release oxygen, the air we breathe. So every time you take a breath, thank a plant. They're basically tiny oxygen factories. Plants have different parts, and each part has a job, kind of like a team. 1. Roots. Roots hold the plant in place and suck up water and minerals from the soil. They're like straws. 2. Stem. The stem is like a highway. It carries water from the roots up to the leaves and carries food from the leaves to the rest of the plant. 3. Leaves. Leaves are the kitchen. This is where photosynthesis happens. 4. Flowers. Flowers help plants make seeds. Seeds grow into new plants. 5. Seeds. Seeds are like tiny plant babies. Inside each seed is a little plant waiting to grow. Plants can't walk around to find a partner, so they have clever ways to reproduce. Pollination. Flowers make pollen. Bees, butterflies, birds, and even the wind move pollen from one flower to another. When pollen reaches the right spot, a seed begins to form. Seeds spread in cool ways. Plants can't throw their seeds, so they use wind, like dandelions. Coconuts float. Animals eat fruit and drop seeds. Later, plants have some of the most creative strategies in nature. Plants aren't just pretty, they're essential for life on Earth. They make oxygen. They give us food, fruits, vegetables, grains. They provide medicine. Many medicines come from plants. They help control the climate by absorbing carbon dioxide. They give animals homes and shelter. They prevent soil erosion by holding dirt in place with their roots. Without plants, Earth would be a very empty place. Thanks for watching. Plants are incredible living things that keep our world running. If you enjoyed learning about plant biology, hit the like button, subscribe, and tell me what science topic you want to explore next. See you in the next video.